I said I be in my bag, ho. I talk my shit, don't mean to brag, though. And I see why these niggas mad, though. They say I'm an asshole, and I'ma show 'em why I spaz for. And I'ma get these niggas facts, ho. I talk my shit because I gotta, mad because I gotta. I ain't even want it, so I treat it like an option. I just seen a lot of hate, but didn't even bother. Niggas gossiping like women, man. This shit was kinda awkward, man. They capping. This shit ain't a movie, why they acting? Thinking shit was sweet, just like some candy.
So I gotta have my fan on, my heater on. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Tranqui Kiddo 7 with another one. Welcome back to my channel, man. I miss y'all, man. It's been crazy, man. It's been cold out here. You know what I mean? I've been lazy. I just been in the crib hibernating, you know what I mean? That's all I've been doing, just hibernating in the crib, man. This cold is crazy. Look, I'm just in the garage right now, man. I'm trying to, it's been lazy, man. I gotta get back up and running, you know what I mean? But I just want to say, for my new subscribers, was popping. And for the one that owns business since day one, mad love, you. I appreciate it. What's up, guys? How y'all doing? You know what I mean? How's everything? How, you know what I mean? Let me know how y'all doing over there. You know what I mean? I hope y'all doing good. You know, like I always say, you know what I mean? Just pray. Any situation you're in, just keep praying, and keep praying. You know what I mean? Don't lose that relationship, you know what I mean, with God. You know what I mean? Just keep doing what y'all doing. Hold on. So, yeah, I haven't been doing as much, you know what I mean, because the cold, you know what I mean, I got lazy, you know what I mean, because of the cold and just being in the crib and, you know what I mean, working and whatever. But I want to get my garage clean for the springtime. You know, it's like, well, a month or two till we get good weather out here. And I just want to have my garage ready, you know what I mean, cleaned up, organized, you know what I mean, for that, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm trying to cover up today. You know, I probably won't finish it today. You know what I mean? It's going to be a process. It's going to be maybe like a couple day, you know, process. All right, so I'm going to try to see how my garage is. Got a little mess, you know, and I'm trying to organize it, you know what I mean? I got things all over the place. I got crazy, you know what I mean? So I just gotta organize it. I'm trying to order some hooks if I could hang my bikes on the wall, you know, or even on the top of the garage, you know. So yeah, that's what I wanna, you know, I'm gonna be doing a couple days.
Con especial dedicación para todos los soldados caídos del barrio y familiares, de parte de la familia santa, locos. Descansen en paz aquellos todos soldados. Esto va para los caídos, con mi rola recordamos. Sé que es doloroso cuando se va alguien que amamos, pero ¿quién soy yo para poder evitarlo? Descansen en paz aquellos todos soldados. Nadie es eterno en el mundo, eso no hay que olvidarlo. Que en su santa gloria Dios los tenga ya guardados. No se va quien se muere, sino el que quedó olvidado. Qué vida loca es la que yo he vivido, y experiencias que me han puesto pues también macizo. No me cotizo, homie, soy de pico aliso. Se dicen ser reales si no han vivido lo mío. Andando en la yeca desde que era un chavalillo, en un barrio malandro por allá de Zacatillo. Como desde los 11 empecé de grafitero, ya a los 12 años ya consumía mi veneno. Me junté con locos y me volví pandillero, y como saben vienen también enemigos nuevos. Vienen pues las riñas, piedrazos y los vergazos, y de repente homies se aparecen los balazos. Así fue el caso de un homito mío, a Che le tocaron balas y pues ya está con Diosito. Sé que también el Comales camina ya contigo, son vivencias del barrio y mi respeto a los caídos. Descansen en paz aquellos todos soldados, esto va para los caídos, con mi rola recordamos. Sé que es doloroso cuando se va alguien que amamos.
So I'm gonna go check out this bicycle rack that I seen on Facebook Marketplace, and I might buy it. I don't know yet. I gotta go check it out, see how it is, whatever. But yeah, I think that's what I need in my garage right now to to have a little bit more room. So let's go check it out, guys. So I just picked up, the bicycle rack, for the garage. It's okay. It's right here. So I'm gonna install it right now in my garage. I'm gonna put it on and see how it works. You know what I mean? I'm gonna spend about $20, into it. We'll see. So I'm gonna have it right here. So this is the rack I got. It's a gravity rack. I can fit 2 bikes on them. We'll see how it's gonna go. We'll see. We'll see, guys. What y'all think? Alright, guys. So this how it came out. I like it. I think it looks pretty nice. But yeah, this how it came out. Pretty cool, pretty chill. And I got a little bit more room now. I still got the baby right there chilling. I might do, I'm gonna see if I can get another one of those right there. But if not, I'm gonna just finesse and put another rack. Not like this. I'm gonna just probably screw one on the wall or something. But yeah, I might get another, some hooks or something, for this one right here. And yep, that's how I'm gonna go by it. But I like it. I'm satisfied. I'm happy how it looks. What y'all think, guys? So I'm looking for like a little couch or something, and one of my homies, he's giving one away for free. You know what I mean? And I'm about to go pick that up right now because I want to put that in my garage, and it's gonna be like I want to make it more of a man cave type. You know what I mean? Like just go in there, hang out. You know what I mean? Homies come over, we hang out in there, we chill. You know what I mean? And I got a foosball table in there right now. I gotta get that organized. So yeah, I'm just trying to have my my garage, as a hangout spot. You feel me? So I'm gonna go pick that couch up right now, and we'll see when we come back. Alright, so we got the couch. We got it in here, and it's gonna go in this side of the garage. So I'm gonna have to organize all this that I got here. You know what I mean? And yeah, it's gonna go right there. So, yep.
De las inyecciones, solamente pues tú supiste tus razones, así como yo con mis perras adicciones. Aún recuerdo cuando nos poníamos bien grifotes.
So this is how I got it for right now. Got the lawnmowers right there under the steps. Got a couch here. Got a vacuum it. So that's how it's looking right now. So I gotta put the milk crates. I'm gonna put them under here. Yeah.
La recordamos, sé que es doloroso cuando se va alguien que amamos, pero quién soy yo para poder evitarlo. Descansen en paz aquellos todos soldados, nadie es eterno en el mundo, eso no hay que olvidarlo. Que en su santa gloria Dios los tenga ya guardado, no se va quien se muere sino el que queda olvidado.
Alright guys, so I just got done organizing my garage, and I think it came out pretty good. I'm gonna show you right now. Hold up. Alright, so this is how it's looking, guys. See that wall? I got the homie Tupac right there. Got the boxing bag right there. I got the couch. You know what I mean? And I got the Bratz Lowrider bike chilling on top. You know how it is. I mean, this is the man cave. You know, I organized that a little bit. You know, that's looking straight. Which I think, guys, my little man cave here, you know what I mean? If y'all know about this bike right here, let me know. You know what I mean? We chilling right now. I love this. This rack right here. Beautiful, beautiful. And I got the foosball table right there. Alright, guys, so this is how we're doing it. You know what I mean? I'm ready for springtime. I just want to say, thank y'all for watching. God bless y'all. To my next video, guys. I'll see ya, man. God bless and keep praying, man. Keep building, keep riding, keep living, guys. God bless. See you in the next video, man. Take care.